Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how we can update drivers in Windows 11. There are two steps we will use. First, you can find all the drivers that currently need an update. How? Click on Start menu, click Setting, click Windows Update, and find Advanced option, find Optional Update. If you have currently some update about driver, you will find here. Like there are no optional update available at this time. Second step, you can find all the drivers and update that one which you prepared. Right click in Start menu and find Device Manager. And here you can find all the drivers that you have. And here you can also add more drivers, or you can update everyone that you prepared. Like I want to update this driver, search automatically for drive, and the best driver for your device are already installed or scanned for an updated driver in Windows Update. Thank you for watching.